If you have ever used or thought of using a Derma roller, one of those microneedling rollers on your skin, stop using it and stop your scroll. Look at the differences in the pictures between a standard microneedling roller and this Banish. I stopped trying to use my roller, my microneedling roller. A, it hurts so bad. B, those needles are longer than they need to be. Here's a standard microneedle thing, and here's the Banish. This is a stamper versus a roller. You have much better control, like micro control with this, being able to get it anywhere rather than like trying to roll up and around these nasal folds under your eyes. Like, ugh, so risky with a roller. It doesn't turn that well, and it doesn't get corners very well, and these are also disposable tips. Okay, they're really easy to take on and off. Pop it off like that, and you can replace these. Way easier to do the lips with this, which I'm excited to do. I've never actually tried my lips before. I didn't even know that was a thing you could do. This will give you like some redness, but it doesn't compare, and it's got a better outcome.